Hey people, welcome back to another video. I hope you are all keeping safe. I hope you are all doing well, and I hope the year 2022 has been good to you so far. So in today's video, this is an evening drive around Niagara Falls, and I would also be showing you what it looks like in the night at the falls. It's so magical. Like I said in my last video, the site is so beautiful. So I'll show you around Niagara Falls in the evening, and you'll see the difference from in the morning. Yeah, it's a lot of people around there in the evening, and in summer, oh my god, it's so full of people during summertime. But yeah, winter as well as its own activity. So let's go enjoy this video. If you are here to subscribe, you are coming across my channel for the first time, please subscribe. I share on this channel everything Canada, living, making money, saving money here in Canada. You know, all the fun stuff, all the good stuff is what I share on this channel. So subscribe, and to my OGs, thank you for always rocking with me. You are the best always. Enjoy this video and please share, like, you know, do all the good stuff. So let me show you what the fall looks like at this time of the day during the winter. It's 6 p.m. here, and you will see the illumination. The night view of Niagara Falls. I can tell you that at summertime we have double the size of the people you can see here today, like double this number, and it's a whole lot of fun during summer as well. So summertime is something you could come to Niagara Falls to spend your summer with your friends and family if you are here in Canada, the province of Ontario. Wow, can you see that? In my next video, I'll show you some fun activities that we were up to. Even though that it was winter, we still had some fun times as well. So watch my next video for you to have an idea of what it looks like winter time, and you can imagine what summer would look like around here.